Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to find the combination of numbers that is added up to our total. Here in this Excel sheet, I have the detail of receivable invoice from customer XYZ. The invoice numbers and invoice amounts are given here. Suppose that this customer paid you the payment of 629,082 and you don't know for which amounts the customer calculated this amount. In this case, we have to find out the combination. And if we do this by manual method, by checking one by one, by selecting the numbers, then see the total, then it takes lots of time on identifying the combination of number that adds up to this total. So here I have created a custom function by using VBA. Let me show you how it works. In this cell, let me press equals, then put here find combination function. Here when I typed find, here you can see the find combination function is suggested. Double click on this function name. Then first of all select the invoice amount range, put a comma, then click on the total, close bracket, press enter, and here you can see the function has identified the numbers that is added up to this total. The numbers are this 187,937, which is from this cell. Let me highlight this. The another number is 257,991, this one, and the next is 183,154, this one. So the function will quickly find out the combination. Let me show you how to create this function in Microsoft Excel. To create this function, we need to have the VBA code required for creating the function. The required code is here in this notepad document. I'll put this notepad download link in the video description below, from where you can simply copy this code. Let me select all this code by pressing Ctrl A in the keyboard. Then right click and copy. Go to Microsoft Excel sheet, then click on the developer tab, then Visual Basic. Here in the VBA window, click on the insert, then module. And here in the module section, right click and paste the copied code. Now close this VBA editor window. After this, you should see the find combination function in the Excel sheet. Here in this cell, let me press equals, then type FIN. Here you can see the find combination function is now given. You can use this function to find out the combination of numbers that is added up to a total. Next, if you want to keep this function in the workbook permanently, you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the file tab, click on save as. Here in this type of the file, you have to select this Excel macro enabled workbook, choose the location to save the file, then click on the save button. Later, you have to open that macro enabled version of the file to use this function. So this is all about how to calculate the combination of numbers that is added up to a total in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.